doing? My name is
Stop!
Apollo.
Stop! Someone
What are
don't.
you doing to me?
Someone's getting ready.
Wow. Okay, so, hello, mister. And this is why you picking me up. What the?
I hurt my face. Okay, I'm ready.
Can you move?
No.
They can see us. Okay, now I gotta get out of the way. How are you guys doing today? What are you doing to me?
Lion.
I'm not gonna eat you. You're a little too red.
I know. Ah, don't touch me.
Hey, no bag behind the scenes.
No,
Yeah?
don't touch me.
Okay. Hello. What's your name, mister? What are you doing? Sit down.
What are you doing?
Stop.
That tickles. That tickles.
Nicholas.
I'm watching it.
Why are you hitting me?
Good job watching.
Okay, just watch the show now.
Why is she?
Hi.
Okay, I think that's gonna be enough for today.
Ryan.
I'm tired of this. This is so boring.
Okay, I think that's gonna be enough for today. So, bye. Bye,
Let's
kids.
make it.
Bye. Bye.